Today we're at Elvington Airfield with a goal of further testing the Flying Kestrel and see if we can hit 200 miles an hour.
It's really a marketing exercise to see how we can communicate our amazing beer, Kestrel Beer.
So over the last 2 years we've been developing the car further, and I think it's just a case of see how much further progress we can make. If all the temperature issues that we've made adaptations to have improved, that's a really good starting point to then start increasing the power. But it's also a case of bedding the car in even further and getting a better understanding of how it works under nitrous, under higher boost, and just see what it does and what that tells us moving forward.
Originally the car was as an original Riley and caused us some aerodynamic issues which manifested itself in a small crash. 156.
I think there's a lot of brands out there that are extremely risk averse. For us at Kestrel Beer, we're a bold brand. We want to do different things and be bold enough to take risks. Motorsport is a risky business, and this in itself, from our past experience, is really risky.
It felt a bit nervous around about third, fourth gear.
Huge number of things could go wrong. A cylinder could go, the engine could blow up, but because we've got the very best of the engineers here in Jonathan Webster Engineering, we're confident that we will either achieve the 200 miles an hour or we'll know exactly what we need to do to be able to achieve that in the future.
And Nigel and Joel are really easy to work with. They're quite easygoing. They've got a firm idea of what they want. They've got a target they want to achieve, and they're sort of enthusiastic about how to do that.
Last time was a really good experience. I think compared to the experience we had before that, where we crashed, it was a drastic improvement. But for us, last time was fantastic. You know, to walk away with 7 records is unbelievable. Granted, we had some heating issues, which meant we could only use the half power. It was a really good starting point for us to go, okay, now we've got to this level, next time we can push it further, and that's why we're here today, to see what we can do.
Obviously, we are disappointed of not achieving the 200 miles an hour today. But that said, you've got to take the positives. We've learned that we're on the right track. We've made a number of initiatives to improve the performance of this car.
Felt really good.
Those initiatives are working, but it wasn't about the quality of the engineering of the car. We know that, given the right weather and the track, we can actually achieve this 200 miles an hour. And we're going to come back next year to do precisely that.